Provisioning, administrating, and monitoring virtual machine networks has traditionally been challenging for departments. Virtualization administrators typically manage networking by configuring individual virtual switches on a per physical host basis, requiring them to work closely with network administrators to ensure consistent configuration. Once deployed, both teams must find the time to troubleshoot and monitor the virtualized data center together. Many customers also require that the security procedures and policies of virtual machines conform to those of physical servers for security audits. This leads to additional monitoring and configuration efforts, increased management overhead, and increased TCO. The VMware vSphere Enterprise Plus package features the vSphere Distributed Switch, or VDS, that automates and centralizes the management of virtual machine networking in VMware vSphere environments. It also enables software-defined network configurations, reducing operational efforts and delivering greater agility. The vSphere Distributed Switch treats the network as an aggregated resource by setting up switching for the entire data center from a centralized interface. By eliminating per-host configuration and maintenance for each vSphere host, the vSphere Distributed Switch saves time and presents a more efficient management construct. With VDs, changes to virtual machine networking can be done centrally across many physical servers. When adding new hosts, VD standardizes network configuration, simplifying the addition of new servers to the environment. Features such as Network Health Check, VD's configuration backup and restore, and management network rollback and recovery enable even greater operational efficiency by automating and streamlining configuration management. To further increase bandwidth and redundancy, VDS offers NIC teaming and link aggregation control protocol support. Administrators can also orchestrate fine-grained prioritization of network traffic even in resource-constrained environments with network I/O control and port-level traffic management. VDS enables broader compatibility with existing network troubleshooting and monitoring protocols. Features such as NetFlow, port mirroring, and SNP allow network administrators to use familiar tools to manage and monitor virtual networks just like physical networks. VDS also supports advanced vSphere networking features, including maintaining network runtime state for virtual machines, support for third-party virtual switch extensions, and private VLAN support. VMware vSphere Distributed Switch helps businesses realize software-defined networking by delivering centralized provisioning, administration, and monitoring. It provides administrators with data center-level network aggregation and tight traffic management and control to streamline configuration and reduce operational efforts and overhead.